Hello students, in our last lecture I taught you about the importance of cloth. The clothes according to the activities and occasion we wear, and some clothes we wear according to the seasons and the weather. In this lecture we are going to see the types of the fiber. Clothing is made of cloth. All of you know that whatever cloth we wear, that is made by the cloth. The main differences between the types of cloth include, the cloth are changes. So there are the different types of cloth, and the main differences between the types of cloth include how that cloth is made up. Maybe some cloths are woven, or maybe some cloths are knitted. On the machines, some cloths are woven, and some cloths are knitted, जिनकी धागे से वो knit किए जाते हैं, and they made up. And which type of material or fiber is used to make that cloth? It is depend on that. Here we will see some natural fibers and some artificial fibers, because that materials which are used to make the cloth are not of same type. Some fibers are man-made and some fibers are natural. So here we will see which are the natural fibers. Cloths can be made of natural fibers such as cotton, linen, wool, silk and fur. We get natural fibers from plants and animals. All of you know we get the cotton from the cotton plant, linen from the jute flax, yes, wool from the sheep, silk from the silkworm, and we get the fur also with the animal skin. So in this way we get these fibers from the plants or by the animals. These are called as natural fibers. So here the natural fibers are divided into two groups. Firstly, from plants. So from plants, which natural fibers we get? These are cotton, jute and linen. And from animals we get wool and silk. Students, here we will see some features of some natural fibers. Firstly, we will see the cotton. Cotton is cool to wear. It is excellent absorbent. It dries slowly. It is durable, but it creases easily. Yes, cotton is very cool to wear, and that's why we prefer to wear the cotton cloth into the summer season. It is an excellent absorbent. Whatever sweat comes on our body, it is easily absorbed by the cotton cloths. If we wash that cloth and put for dry, it dries slowly. It is durable. Durable means its life is long. They not torn very easily, but they creases easily. That is the feature of the cotton cloth. Next is linen. Linen is fresh and cool to wear. When we look at that cloth, it looks fresh. When we wear also that cloth, that person's body feels very cool. When that person wears that cloth, he feels cool in the summer season. Linen also looks fresh. It is a good absorbent and dries quickly. As cotton not dries very quickly, linen comparatively linen dries quickly. It is also durable, but it also creases easily. When we wear the cotton cloth or linen cloth, again we cannot wear that because it needs the iron. Yes, ironing is compulsory. So here I will show you the photo. See here, flax is believed to be the earliest known natural textile fiber. It is the material used to make linen. This is the flax plant and these are the flowers of flax. It is when it dries. From that they can make the linen. This is the cotton plant. All of you know. This is the flower of cotton and they take out the cotton and from that they make the threads and from that they make the cotton cloth. See, this is the linen. This is also linen. When the cloth is made, it looks like this. This is the cotton cloth. We can make the designs, print on that. This is also cotton. Whatever handkerchiefs we use, these are also made of cotton. These are the good absorbent. Yes. Now here we will see about wool. Wool is warm and it can shrink. When we wash the woolen cloth, it can shrink. So they need to be dry cleaning or not washed. So they tell us that when we purchase that cloth from any shop, it is written there on the label that it should not be washed. It should be needed the dry cleaning. So because maybe if you wash that cloth at home, it will be shrink. That's why you have to give them for the dry cleaning. Wool give us the warmness. Next is silk. Silk is warm to wear. It has beautiful shine and it needs to be dry cleaning. That also, silk sarees also, if your mother is having silk sarees, when she wear that sarees are having very nice shine. Yes, when anybody wear that saree, it gives the warmness because silk is warm to wear. But that sarees, that dresses we cannot wash at home. It needed the dry cleaning. It needs to be dry cleaned. Yes. Now we will see artificial fibers. Cloths can also be made of synthetic or man-made fibers such as nylon, polyester and rayon. Synthetic fibers are man-made fibers. These are made by man, not by plants or not by animals. These are the chemically made fibers, man-made fibers. And examples of artificial or synthetic fibers are nylon, polyester and rayon. These are produced artificially by using chemicals. These fibers are made by using the chemicals. Here we will see some features of synthetic fibers. Nylon is warm to wear. It repels rain. It is durable. When we wear the nylon cloth, it gives us the warmness. It repels the rain, and nylon cloths are also durable. Here I will show you the picture of nylon. Yes, this is polyester. This is also polyester. We are having the blouse pieces of polyester. This is the polyester t-shirt. This t-shirt is made up of polyester. This dress is made up of rayon. In this way, we wear the synthetic clothes also, and we wear the clothing made of synthetic fibers. Yes. Now we will see about the polyester. Polyester is non-absorbent. It is non-absorbent. When we wear the polyester cloths, it cannot absorb the sweat. It dries quickly, do not crease, and easy to care. Mainly, see students, the polyester dresses, with the polyester we can make our trousers, sport dresses. Yes, because it dries very quickly and it not creases. As cotton dresses creases very fast, it not creases, and it is very easy to care. Means they not want the ironing, it not want the dry cleaning, or they not want any care. Any way you can, means any detergent you can use for that, not any soft detergent or like this. With the soap you can wash that, you can fold and keep it in the cupboard. There is no need of special care for the polyester dresses. Next is caring for clothes. How to take care of our clothes? It is important to wear clean clothes. All of you know that. Compulsory we have to wear the clean clothes every day. Because our dirty clothes carry dust and germs that may make us fall sick, and every day we have to change our dress. If that dress is become dirty, we have to change that dress and wear the clean dress, because dirty dresses carry lot of dust and germs. Keeping clothes clean and well ironed also make them look good and they last long. If we iron our clothes properly, if we clean our clothes properly, because of that iron cloth, we only look good. It gives the good look to the personality and they last long. Some simple tips to taking care of clothes are: how to take care of the clothes? Here are some tips. Wash and iron clothes regularly. Next is, wash clothes need to be squeezed well and left to dry properly. If you washed any cloth, you have to squeeze them well. Whatever water is there, extra water is there, excess water is there, you have to take out that water by squeezing that cloth properly, and then you have to put that cloth to dry properly. Next is, after washing once, hang cloth to air them before you wear them again. Before you wear them again and put them inside the cupboard. What you have to do? After wearing once, some clothes are there, that cloth you cannot wash after once use. Means if you wear any party dress or any silk saree, that time, after one time wearing, you cannot wash that dress, because when you wash that dress, it looks very dull. So these dresses you have to hang into the air. Yes, and for one day you have to keep that dress into the open air, and after that you have to fold that dress and you have to put that dress inside the cupboard. So here what is given: after wearing once, hang clothes to air them before you wear them again, or put them inside the cupboard. Before putting inside the cupboard, you have to air that dress. Next is, once back from the playground, change the sweaty or solid clothes to wear something clean. When you come from the playground, that time you have to go into the bathroom, you have to change your dress, because that dress has become very sweaty. Yes, and on the playground so much soil is also there. That's why that cloth become soiled also. So that dusty dress you have to take out and you have to wear the clean dress. Some cloths bleed color and need to be washed separately. Otherwise, the color would run into other cloths and spoil them. Sometimes what happens? We purchase a new dress. Especially cotton dresses are like this. If you wash the cotton dress, first time they bleed the color. They take off their color. And that's why when you are washing like this cloth, you have to wash them separately. Otherwise what happens? If you wash them together, the other cloths also spoil. Yes? Now here, next point, delicate cloths such as woolens and silk need to be washed with gentle soap or dry cleaned. You have to give the woolen or silk dresses for dry cleaning. Otherwise, if you are washing that at home, you have to use the gentle soap. In that soap, so many chemicals should not be there. Like that soap you have to use and you have to wash that cloth at home. Next is, a torn dress should be mended. You should not wear the torn dress. When it torn, that time only you have to stitch that dress. Then again, it not be torn. So, torn dress should be mended properly. It is also important to store clothes properly. What is important? You have to store the clothes properly. Woolen and silk cloths need to be kept in the sun for a few hours, washed and dry cleaned before they stored. You have to take care of woolen and silk cloths properly. Before you keep them for long time into the cupboard, means when our winter season over. After the winter season, if you want to put that into the cupboard, that time you have to keep the match ball or dry neem leaves into that cloth. If you are putting the silk saree for long time inside the cupboard, that time also you have to put the match ball or dry neem leaves to keep away the insects that may feed on such cloths and destroy them. In this way, we have to take care of the cloths from the insects, because there are some insects which feed on that cloths. So, to destroy that insects, we have to keep match ball or dry neem leaves. So, students, here our 9th lesson, clothes are basic needs, is finished. Here is the summary of this lesson. Clothes are our basic need. They protect the body from heat, cold, rain, dust, germs and insect bite. We wear clothes according to occasions, weather and seasons. Clothes are made of different material and fibers. Cotton, linen, wool, jute and silk are natural fibers. Nylon, polyester and rayon are synthetic or artificial fibers. It is important to take care of clothes. Clothes must be washed, dried, ironed and stored properly. This is the summary of this lesson. Now we will see the glossary of this lesson. Artificial or synthetic fiber means man-made fiber. Fiber means what? Fiber means material used to make cloth. Natural fiber means fiber which we get from plants and animals. So students, you have to read this lesson properly and take out the hard words. Thank you.